Good morning, students. Before this, we have discussed that how, with the use of the modern farming, land as well as the underground water level is being depleted a lot. Now, fourth one, how is land distributed between the farmers of Palampur? We will see that what is the pattern of the land distribution among the farmers of the Palampur. You must have realized how important land is for farming. As we are knowing, land is very important for the farming. Unfortunately, not all the poor engaged in agriculture have sufficient land for cultivation. But unfortunately, all the people who are engaged in the agriculture, they have not sufficient land. In Palampur, about 1/3 of the 450 families are landless, i.e. 150 families. Most of them Dalits have no land for cultivation. So, in the Palampur, total 450 families are there. Out of the 450, 1/3 means 150 families are landless, means they have no land, and most of them are the Dalits. Of the remaining families who own land, 240 families cultivate small plots of land less than 2 hectares in size. Now 150 families have no land. Other 300 which are there, out of that 300, 240 families cultivate very small part of the land, and that small plot of the land is less than 2 hectares. Cultivation of such plots does not bring adequate income to the farmer's family, and those people who are cultivating such a small plot, by the cultivation of these small plots, they are unable to get the suitable income for the consumption or for the well-being of their family. In 1960, Govind was a farmer with 2.25 hectares of largely unirrigated land. In 1960, Govind was a farmer who was having 2.25 hectares of the land, and out of that 2.25 hectare, most of the land was unirrigated. With the help of his 3 sons, Govind cultivated the land. Govind was cultivating that piece of land with the help of his 3 sons. Though they didn't live very comfortably, the family managed to feed itself with a little bit of extra income from one buffalo that the family possessed. Yet, they were not living very comfortably, but anyhow, the family was managing to get 2 square meals of the food, means 2 times of the food, with the help of a buffalo which they were having. Some years after Govind's death, this land was divided among his 3 sons. After some years, Govind died, and after the death of the Govind, that small plot of the land was divided among his 3 sons. Each one now has a plot of land that is only 0.75 hectares in size. After the division of the land, now everyone, means all that 3, got 0.75 hectares of the land. Even with improved irrigation and modern farming method, Govind's sons are not able to make a living from their land. Yet, by the improved irrigation system as well as by the use of the modern farming, their sons, means Govind's sons, are not able to make a living from that land. They have to look for additional work during part of the year. During the year, in the off season, they have to look for the additional work. You can see the large number of small plots scattered around the village in the picture. In the picture, you can see the small pieces of the land which are scattered around the village. See, this is the picture. In this picture, you can see small, very small pieces of lands are there. These are cultivated by the small farmers. These small pieces of the lands are cultivated by the small farmers. On the other hand, more than half of the area of the village is covered by plots that are quite large in size. On the other hand, we can see more than half of the area of the village is covered by the plots which are little bit large in the size. In Palampur, there are 60 families of medium and large farmers who cultivate more than 2 hectares of the land. So, in the village Palampur, 60 families are of the medium and large farmers, and these medium and large farmers cultivate more than 2 hectares of the land. A few of the large farmers have land extending over 10 hectares or more, and few large farmers are there who have the land whose size is 10 hectare or more than 10 hectare. Now we can see by this pie chart cultivated area, number of farmers. See, 36% of the farmers have 64% of the land, 80% of the farmers have only 20% of the land. So this table is showing how unequal distribution of the land is there in the village Palampur.